Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a motorcycle brand steeped in tradition and Italian flair, Moto Guzzi. A bit of history. Moto Guzzi has been around for over a century, crafting unique motorcycles known for their character and soul. They haven't always chased the latest trends, instead focusing on what makes a Guzzi. Key features. Let's delve into what defines these bikes. First up, the engine. Most Guzzis feature a signature transverse V-twin engine. Unlike most V-twins, the cylinders jut out sideways, giving it a muscular look and a distinct thrumming sound. It's not about mind-blowing horsepower, but about torquey power that delivers a satisfying pull. Performance. These aren't built for the racetrack, but for comfortable cruising and enjoying the ride. Handling is confidence-inspiring, with a focus on stability and control. Guzzis come in a variety of styles, from the classic cafe racer looks of the V7 to the adventure-ready Stelvio. Design elements. One thing you can't deny is the stunning Italian design. Moto Guzzi pays attention to detail, with beautiful chrome finishes, leather touches, and classic lines that never seem to go out of style. They have a certain timeless elegance that sets them apart from the crowd. Unique selling points, 1 minute. So, what makes a Guzzi special? It's a motorcycle for riders who value character over pure specs. It's about the feeling you get when you throw your leg over the seat, feel the rumble of the engine, and experience the joy of riding. It's a connection to a rich heritage and a passion for two-wheeled machines. Target audience, 30 seconds. If you're a new rider looking for a manageable yet characterful bike, Guzzi offers models like the V7 that are perfect for learning the ropes. Experienced riders seeking a motorcycle with a soul and a unique riding experience will find plenty to love in the Guzzi lineup. Conclusion, 30 seconds. Moto Guzzi isn't for everyone, but for those who appreciate a motorcycle that's more than just a machine, it's an experience. It's a celebration of Italian craftsmanship and the joy of the open road. So, if you're looking for a bike that turns heads, puts a smile on your face, and offers a ride unlike any other, then a Moto Guzzi might just be your perfect match. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of Moto Guzzi. If you're interested in learning more, leave a comment below and let me know what kind of Guzzi you'd take for a spin. And don't forget to subscribe.